How to save a favorite location in Waymo. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. To save a favorite location in Waymo, as it says in the article, or Waymo saving pullover spots. When you add locations such as home and work as favorites in the app, you can also save your preferred pullover spots. Below the search bar in the app, you can press on Add Favorite and then enter a location. Then choose your preferred pullover spot for that location. After you do that, that location will be added in your favorites. And whenever you want, you can simply select favorites and it will pull over in the favorites location. This is how to save a favorite location in Waymo. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.